So I know it can be really frustrating bringing your team's requests to life. You're securing the budget, you're offering exactly what they asked for, only to see a few employees attend. And it can be tempting to think like, we tried it, nobody showed up, I'm not doing that again. But the reality is, when it comes to joining wellness offerings, there are plenty of hidden barriers that can stand in the way of your employees attending, right? It can be some internal things, some nerves, some self doubt. Maybe people just feel self conscious. They don't want people to know that they're doing the thing. And then others are external, which you as leaders can really influence. By understanding the challenges and intentionally shaping your messaging and your workplace culture, you can truly empower more people to participate and get the benefits of what you're offering. I'm Tiffany Lord. I'm a corporate wellness educator specializing in stress management and resilience, bringing you my top tips for leaders to support engagement in your wellness program. My first tip is to talk about it everywhere. Just bring up your wellness program regularly in leadership meetings, department meetings, all staff meetings, wherever you can. Because when leaders consistently highlight the importance of these initiatives, it helps normalize participation and it keeps wellness top of mind for everyone. My second tip is to encourage participation just in general. Send a friendly all staff email. Just say, you have permission to fully unplug during wellness times. Encouraging team members to turn off their notifications when they're in these sessions. You can set, an auto email that's like, I'm in my wellness session, I'll respond after this time or whatever. Just truly take the time to step away from work is what you want to encourage. And that simple nudge by leadership can make a world of difference in participation and really a difference in the impact of each session. So, third, prioritize wellness on the calendar. Just make well being a priority in your organization's schedule. Make sure you're blocking the sessions on the company wide calendar so nothing else gets double booked or overlooked, right? And of course, we have some nuance in each organization. So, you may have some people who have to kind of keep an eye on things, or there's client meetings that pop up that are high priority. Of course, we're going to take that. But protecting this time as much as you can really sends a strong message that wellness matters in our organization and we want you to take care of yourself, right? And we're going to give you the opportunity to actually do it. Yeah. And then the last thing, show up. Just show up whenever you can. It doesn't have to be a big thing if you already are taking care of your wellness and you're like, I don't really need the session for me personally. So just join at the beginning of a session, every quarter or something, just to visibly show that leadership supports this. Even again, a brief appearance can really help boost morale and encourage others to join. They're like, oh, well, like they may be logging on just to show face, like employees know that, but they also appreciate the effort. If that's what you're doing, they're like, okay, well, if they're there and they're going to log in, then they know that we're here and they're supporting that, right? So it's amazing. And then, of course, if you're able to stay for the full experience, then you get to enjoy the positive effects yourself, which trickle out throughout the organization, throughout the day, and all of the colleagues and clients that you interact with as a leader. So let me know if I can be of service. I'd love to hear from you if you have any questions, comments, or just need extra support in these areas for your wellness program. Let me know. I'm here for you. Take care. Be well.